And that, what do you call that?
Call that my bird call.
Your bird.
There's coyotes back there, so be careful.
They're nocturnal.
Shut up. If there's a coyote back here, we got to catch one video.
Yeah. It'll eat us, and then people will post it on YouTube when they
No.
find our
They're
remains.
just babies. They're just babies. I can scare them off with the gun. And if they run at us, then we either run or I butt them in the head with my gun and gun, and then they'll get scared off.
I'm sure it's that easy.
But it isn't that easy. So that's why we have to run before anything. So you better not.
I say we climb up a tree
No.
and then whistle furiously until they get scared away.
Not a very good idea, Sam.
Then I'll jump down on them and break their backs, followed by a neck snap. Neck snap.
Dude, this spider
And then I'll
everywhere.
gouge out their eyes with my fingers
Sam,
and enjoy them for a tasty treat.
do your whistle. Do your whistle.
Whistle. He's gonna whistle. I think I just scared him.
Hold the camera. I want to hit this bird. Oh.
There he is. Where is it? I know it's him. Oh, there's a bunch of them. Ouch.
He's right above him. Whistle again. Give me the camera. Whistle again. I'll just point it back on you. Dude, it just pooped. Hold that. I see it. I'm gonna take it out. Where is it? There you are. Dang it. They're very furious. There you are, buddy. You're mine now. Wait. I think I hear a squirrel.
This is the wallet of Toadie. Mm-hmm. Awesome.
Dude, do you hear that?
Yeah, huh? Nature at its finest. Almost.
What if it's groundhog? Maybe it's a peed off coyote.
See if I can whistle like this.
Dude.
Yeah. I can't do it.
I can. Oh, dude.
Because I can do it.
Can't do it that way. Dude, that's pretty cool. Pretty beast. Now where's that crow at? Oh, dude, right above us. Bird. There he is. There he is.
Yeah, I don't think it's a very good idea. That's a...
Leave. No, there's a bird up there, but I just don't see him. There he is. There he is. I'm shooting him. He's going down. He is going
I'm
down.
gonna move out of the way. So
I can't see.
neither can the camera. Hey, look, a bench.
It's not a bench.
It's
I guess you can sit in it, but you're gonna break it. No, we put food in there for the deer. So come around wintertime when it's hunting time.
I saw something moving.
Huh?
Over there.
What?
I don't know.
What is
It's moving on the ground.
Where, Sam? Where?
Right there.
What do you see, boy? What do you see?
Not a dog.
Where is it?
I don't know. I just saw something.
Dude, ground.
It was small.
Squirrel.
Squirrel. Where?
Or a chipmunk. You never know. I've
Ah,
already
the
shot,
chipmunk. The
Huh?
squirrel's distant cousin.
I've already shot a chipmunk though. Wasn't nice.
Wasn't
No.
nice to shoot that chipmunk.
Yeah, I took my handgun to it. No, my airsoft handgun. But it was pretty cool actually, because it's like, it was all like running. No, wait, no, Rufus caught it. That's right. Rufus caught it and.
It's torn.
Well, you were gonna say that. Rufus caught it and he took it up to the butterfly, up to the house, and
Butterfly.
I shot it. Let's go find that bird.
Well, I guess it's acceptable. If the cat already killed it.
Yeah, Rufus had it in his mouth. He didn't kill it.
Oh, a spear. It's kind of cool.
You can use that for your killing.
Mushroom. Spear. It's not a very good spear. And it's dirty.
Dude, I saw something moving right around here. Like a... Dude, check this out.
It's a feather.
Yeah, it's a crow's feather.
Oh, I almost fell.
This is our 4-wheeling track. Jealous?
Okay, I'm gonna stop recording now because it's going on 7 minutes.
Alright.